HAL AMCA, India's ambitious fifth-generation fighter jet program. The AMCA aims to enhance India's position in next-gen aerial combat capabilities. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh's approval marks a significant leap in indigenous defense technology. This stealth fighter will compete with global giants like the F-35 and Su-57. The project signifies India's commitment to becoming a self-reliant military power. The AMCA will play a crucial role in modernizing the Indian Air Force's fleet. Stay updated on the latest in defense technology.